On July 5th, 2025, officers were dispatched to the Delta Sky Lounge at Palm Beach International Airport after receiving reports of an unruly passenger who refused to follow club rules and would not leave when asked.
You can once you exit. You can tell me everything.
I'm a member of the club. Get away from me. Disgusting. Our witnesses anything. That's the way it works.
Yeah.
You're insulting them tremendously.
Out of the airport completely.
Oh, you think so?
I am. There's my supervisor right there, so yes. You can speak
No,
your mind all you
don't
want.
talk to your supervisor. Speak
No,
to yourself.
I am speaking for myself, in case you wanted my supervisor. Because I'm telling you with my authority that you're about 2 seconds
Because
from
of
leaving
why?
the airport.
Because of why?
Because why? Because I'm telling you, you need to leave now. And you're
No,
telling me
because
you're
of
not
why?
going to leave.
Because of why? I'm not leaving.
Because you
Because
don't
of
have
why?
because you don't have the proper identification to get into the club in the first place. You have to have that card. If you
Where
don't
is
have
that
that
in your
card,
manual?
what?
Where is that in your manual?
It's in their requirement that you have to have
Where
their
is that in
resume.
your manual?
Okay.
I'm going to ask one question. Are you going to leave this room right now?
Yeah, certainly.
Then get up and leave.
Then get up and leave.
If you don't leave, you're under arrest for trespass. Period. I'm not going to play with you. What are you going to do?
I'm not playing.
One more question. Are you going to get up and leave?
Can I ask a question?
No, you may not. You may take your stuff and get out, or you're going to go to jail for trespassing. What is your choice?
My choice is.
Then you're going to go to jail.
I said no. My choice was to leave. Sir, my choice was to leave.
Hey, don't
No.
Resist.
My choice was to leave.
Resisting.
No, I said I'm going to leave.
You have plenty of options.
You have plenty
No,
of
I said I'm
options.
going to leave.
Yeah.
Sir, I said I'm going to leave.
Nope.
I said I'm going to leave.
No, it's too late now.
This is
You
unnecessary.
want to see double?
Nah, he just needs a license.
Ow.
You got another pair?
I want to leave. There were rules. That's the only thing I'm saying. I thought you said I had one chance to leave, and I said I'm leaving.
Yeah, well, you never.
All right.
You,
What you're doing is what you're doing. You're
we
talking.
gave you
Fair
ample
enough,
opportunity
fair
to stand
enough,
up, and walk
fair
out, and you didn't.
Ow. Jesus
You're
Christ.
not supposed to be comfortable, and there's two on you, okay? We're here playing games.
You had every opportunity to leave.
Sir,
You
I'm
didn't.
not going to leave.
Be quiet. Exercise that right.
Yep. That's my bag. My medicine is in it. Prescribed medicine.
What's the problem?
Congestive heart failure. It's too embarrassing. It's too embarrassing.
What is? There's no one here.
There's no one here.
Sit down.
Sit down.
I didn't do anything.
Sit
Turn
down.
to the side. Turn to the side. I'm not touching your wrist.
Sit down
Just sit
sideways
down.
and swing your feet around.
Getting bullied by the girls at the desk at Delta Sky.
Just
I was
fine.
completely,
No, you
Brian.
weren't.
I
No,
was
you weren't.
completely, yes, I was.
Deputy Randall.
weren't.
Yes,
I'm
sir,
not
I
going to
was.
argue with you,
Yes,
okay?
sir, I was.
Because you're wrong.
Oh, right there.
Okay?
Date of birth.
And because you're wrong, is why
Your
you're going to
number?
jail. Okay?
Yes, sir.
everything that's in the bag?
What are you talking about? This is your personal property? Right here. This is my notebook and my notepad. You definitely did. Okay? Keep your mouth shut. Okay? Keep your mouth shut. All these cameras in here are recording right now. Okay? I'm not a buddy. Okay? Keep your mouth shut. Okay? That's what you should do right now.
It's very personal stuff.
We're gonna put you in a car in a minute. Okay? We don't need your assistance on what we're doing. We know exactly what we're doing. We're inventorying your items because you're arrested. Listen to me talk. You're arrested right now. You're in custody. Everything that you have will be placed into evidence. So we have to inventory every item that you have. Okay? We do not care if it's personal or private. Okay? It will get inventoried. We will go through every belonging that you have, including anything in your pocket.
I'll take this one. Parked outside. All right. All right, Paul, we're going for a ride.
Back into it.
Need assistance, sir, or are you able to get up by yourself?
I got it.
Be careful. We turn off.
He was charged with trespassing and resisting without violence. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.